Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see the next two types of grammars. In last video we have seen type 0 grammar and type 1 grammar. In this lecture we are going to see the next two types of grammars, that is type 2 grammar and type 3 grammar. So a type 2 production is a production of the form A gives alpha, where A is any variable and alpha is the union of variable and the input symbols. In other words, the LHS has no left context. LHS has no left context or right context. For example, S gives AA, A gives A, B gives ABC, A gives null. So here left side there is no right or left context, there is only one symbol or capital letters. So this is type 2 grammar. A grammar is called type 2 grammar if it contains only type 2 productions. Now let us see type 3 grammar. A production of the form A gives A or A gives small a B, capital B, where A and B belongs to variable and A belongs to input symbols or terminals. These type of productions are called as type 3 productions. A grammar is called type 3 or regular grammar if all of its production are type 3 productions. So by looking at the pattern of production rules, we can decide the type of grammar. Now let us see some example. Here in this expression, here in this example, there are three examples given and we are going to identify which type of grammar is it. So first of all, S gives capital A, small a. So this particular expression is matching with type 2 grammar, in which the left side don't have any right or left context, and the right side is the combination of terminal symbols and non-terminal symbols or variables and input symbols. Again, A gives BA is also type 2 grammar, and B gives ABC is also type 2 grammar. Just A to C is type 3 grammar. So the highest type number is 2, because we have already seen in the previous video that the type 0 is the highest level of grammar and type 3 is the lowest level of grammar. So type 2, this the highest type of grammar is 2. Another example, that is B, is S gives ASB, all capital letters, or S gives D. A gives AA. So A gives ASB is type 2, and S gives D and A gives AA are type 3 grammars if we match this pattern with our definition. Therefore again here the highest type number is 2. Next example is C. S gives small a capital S or small ab. S gives AS is type 3 and S gives AB is type 2. Hence again here highest type of number is 2. Now the classes in the Chomsky hierarchy are nested, with type 0 being the largest and most general and type 3 being the smallest and most restricted. Now classification of grammars. There are different types of grammars we have seen: type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So type 0 grammar accept unrestricted grammar and it will generate recursively enumerable language. Type 1 grammar is accepted here, that is context sensitive grammar, and the language is context sensitive language. Type 2 grammar is context free grammar and the language accepted is context free language. Type 3 is the regular grammar and the language accepted is regular language. So this is about Chomsky hierarchy. Thank you for listening.